Stop. Just stop for a second. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and then nothing? No words, no sound, just silence.
Oh, yeah. That feeling. It's horrible.
Your heart starts beating faster. Your mind goes blank, and you think, why is this happening again?
Hey, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Robert.
Hi, and I'm Emma. We're glad you're here.
Really? Let me ask you something. Do you forget English because you don't know it? Or because you're scared to use it?
That's a hard question. But honestly, I think it's fear.
Exactly. You know, most people think it's grammar or vocabulary, but it's not.
I remember this one moment. I was at work. Someone asked me a simple question. Very simple.
Oh? Yeah?
Yeah. Something like, how was your weekend?
That is simple.
Right? But my brain froze. Completely. Yeah. I knew the words. I swear. But they just wouldn't come out.
You know what that is?
What?
Pressure. When you feel pressure, your brain goes into survival mode. It's like, don't make a mistake. Don't sound stupid. Don't embarrass yourself.
Oh, yeah. That voice in your head.
Exactly. And that voice is loud. Too loud.
So, what do we do then? I mean, how do you stop that?
Good question. We don't stop it. We work with it. Here's something simple. Very simple. Every day, talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yeah, out loud.
Oh, that feels weird.
It does, at first, but it works. When you speak alone, there's no fear, no judgment, no pressure. Just you and your voice.
Huh. I've never thought about that. So basically, I should become my own best listener?
Yes, your most patient listener. But here's the important part. Talking alone is just the start. There's one small mistake people make that actually increases fear.
Oh? What mistake?
We'll talk about that next. So, where were we? Ah, yes, that mistake.
You said there's one mistake that makes fear worse.
Exactly. And almost everyone does it. Even Emma told me this once.
Oh? What did she say?
She said, I keep correcting myself while I speak.
Oh, no. Yeah, I do that too.
That's the mistake. Self-correction. Too much of it.
But isn't correcting good?
Later, yes, but not while speaking.
Oh,
When you stop mid-sentence, your brain panics. It thinks, danger.
danger?
Yeah, social danger. Embarrassment, judgment.
That explains a lot. I remember once I said, he went.
Oh, yeah, that spiral.
Exactly. Everyone was waiting. I felt stupid.
You weren't. You were human. Here's the shift. Important one. Don't fix while speaking. Finish first, fix later.
Finish first, fix later.
Yes, like Robert does. He just keeps going.
True. He never stops. That actually feels lighter, less pressure.
Exactly. Pressure kills flow. New rule for today. 1 minute, no stopping.
1 minute of speaking?
Yes. Any topic, no correction, no pause.
That's scary.
Good. Fear means growth.
What if I say nonsense?
Perfect. Nonsense is fluent.
I like that.
Fluency is not accuracy. Fluency is movement. Keep moving.
Like dancing?
Exactly. If you stop, you fall. But there's something else. Something even more important than fear.
More important?
Yes. Identity. How you see yourself when you speak.
Oh, that sounds deep.
It is. And we'll go there next. Okay. Let's go deeper now. This part is important. Very important.
I can feel it already.
Good. That feeling means you're present. Let me ask you something. Who are you when you speak English?
Who am I? I don't know.
Exactly. Most people don't.
When I speak English, I feel smaller.
Smaller.
Yeah. Less confident. Less smart.
Emma said the same thing once.
Really?
Yes, she said, in my language, I'm funny. In English, I'm quiet.
Oh. That hurts. Because it's true.
I know, and that's the problem. Your English is not the problem. Your identity is.
Identity.
Yes, you don't see yourself as an English speaker.
So when I speak, I'm already losing?
In your head? Yes, before the first word.
Oh. That explains so much. I remember a meeting. Everyone spoke English. I stayed silent.
Why?
I thought, they're better than me.
Classic. They weren't better, they were just louder.
That's true.
Here's the shift. Stop trying to sound smart.
What?
Sound human.
Sound human.
Yes. Make mistakes. Pause. Say, Say, That's real speech. Native speakers pause. All the time.
They do?
Oh, yes. Robert pauses more than anyone I know.
True.
New exercise. Very simple. Introduce yourself. Out loud, every day.
Introduce myself.
Yes. Name, what you do, how you feel.
That feels awkward.
Good. Awkward means new identity forming. Same words every day. Same structure. Your brain learns, I am an English speaker.
That feels powerful. You know, I never said I'm an English speaker before.
Say it now.
I'm an English speaker.
How did that feel?
Strange, but good.
But identity alone is not enough. There's one habit that builds confidence fast, daily.
Fast. I like fast.
We'll break it down next, step by step. All right, now we get to the fun part. Confidence. Yes, real confidence.
Finally. I need that.
Yes, you do. Emma and Robert both swear by this habit.
Oh? Tell me more.
Simple daily routine. Step 1, speak English every single day.
Every day? Even small sentences?
Yes, even tiny phrases.
Okay. But what if I feel nervous?
Good. That's normal. Nervousness means your brain is working.
Oh, I never thought of it that way.
Exactly. Emma started small. 5 sentences a day.
Just 5. That's doable.
Yes. She grew from that. Now she speaks confidently.
Wow. Slow start really works.
Robert did the same. He spoke to his cat in English.
Seriously?
Yes, and it helped. No judgment, just practice. Try this today. Pick one object. Talk about it in English.
Like a pen? Or coffee?
Yes, describe it. Say what you like. Say what you don't.
Okay, so small steps every day.
Exactly. Consistency beats perfection.
Sometimes I feel my inner critic yelling, "You're wrong. You sound bad."
Uh-huh. Ignore it. Let it talk. You just keep speaking.
That's hard, but I see how it helps. What if I mess up completely?
Good. Make mistakes. Laugh at them. Learn from them.
Okay, I like that approach.
Daily routine. Speak English alone. Speak English to a friend. Speak English for 1 minute aloud.
Step by step. I can do that.
Exactly. Small victories add up. Emma told me, I started with small steps. Now I can hold meetings in English.
Wow, that's inspiring.
Robert said, even if I say nonsense, I say it confidently.
Confidence matters more than perfect words.
But here's the kicker. There's one more habit. One tiny habit. It doubles confidence faster than anything else.
Oh, I want that.
We'll break it down step by step. Okay, now the last step. The tiny habit. Emma calls it the secret trick.
Oh, finally. I've been waiting.
Yes, it's simple but powerful. Every day, choose one short sentence.
Just one? That's easy.
Yes, say it aloud in front of a mirror.
That feels weird.
Good. Weird is growth.
So I repeat one sentence every day?
Exactly. Observe your mouth, your voice, notice your hesitation.
Oh, I see. Like I'm training myself.
Robert uses this every morning. He starts with, I can speak English confidently.
Huh, I like that.
Emma does too. She repeats, I enjoy speaking English.
It feels silly at first.
Uh-huh, yes, it should. Your brain is rewiring. Step by step. Speak one sentence aloud. Add one more sentence the next day. Speak to a friend. Record yourself.
Oh, okay. Step by step. I can do that.
Here's the magic. Repetition plus reflection.
Repetition, reflection. Got it.
Your confidence builds invisibly, like a muscle.
Oh, I like that analogy. You know, I feel lighter just talking about it.
Good. That's the feeling we want. Emma's favorite, she introduces herself to strangers in English.
Whoa, that's brave.
Yes, but small steps first. Confidence grows. Remember, pause, breathe, speak human. Don't fix mid-sentence. Repeat small exercises daily.
Simple but powerful.
If you follow this routine, one sentence, daily practice, mirror or friend, reflection, you will see change. You will speak more confidently.
Wow. I feel ready already.
And don't forget, fear is normal. Mistakes are normal. You are human.
Yeah, I like being human.
Good. Keep practicing. See yourself grow. Next week, we'll dive into real conversations with live examples and tiny tweaks that make a huge difference.
Oh, can't wait.
Me neither.